In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. Khalifa Sirajuddin Haqqani, the Interior Minister, meets with the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees and his delegation. The Minister of Information and Culture urges journalists to stand against negative propaganda, promote national unity, and strengthen the Islamic system. And the U.S. Senator Bernie Sanders criticizes the alleged violation of the Iran-US ceasefire and calls for an end to this conflict. Welcome to Urooj Daily News Package. It's Thursday, the 23rd of Muharram al-Haram, 1448, the 18th of Saratan, 1405, and the 9th of July, 2026. The news details. Khalifa Sirajuddin Haqqani, the Minister of Interior, met with the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees, UNHCR, and his accompanying delegation. During the meeting, the Interior Minister expressed appreciation for UNHCR's continued cooperation efforts in supporting Afghanistan. The UN Refugee Chief reaffirmed the agency's commitment to addressing the challenges facing Afghan refugees, supporting the returning migrants, and providing humanitarian assistance. The Minister of Information and Culture held a one-day training seminar in Panjshir province under the theme of enhancing intellectual, ideological, and professional capacity. The event brought together hundreds of journalists, media officials, writers, literary figures, cultural activists, and young people. Speaking in the seminar, Maulavi Hayatullah Major Farahi, the Deputy Minister for Publications, urged the journalists to stand firmly against negative propaganda and play an active role in promoting national unity, strengthening the Islamic system, and highlighting its achievements. The news continuation. The Ministry for Propagation of Virtue, Prevention of Vice, and Hearing of Complaints announced that its inspectors handled 101 cases related to women's rights during the past week. According to the Ministry, 55 disputes and conflicts were resolved through mediation, while 8 individuals accused of practicing sorcery were arrested and referred to the relevant judicial authorities. The Ministry also reported that 173 reform and awareness meetings were held with members of the business community. And ultimately, amid continued criticism of the U.S. President Donald Trump's approach toward Iran, the U.S. Senator Bernie Sanders condemned what he described as a violation of ceasefire between Iran and the United States. Sanders argued that continued military confrontation would not make the United States stronger, warning that the conflict would claim more lives and waste additional taxpayer dollars. He reiterated his call for an end to the war and urged a peaceful resolution to the tensions. The news conclusion. Tremendous thanks and appreciation for tracking us. Blessing Friday. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.